If you or anything else touches a najis thing like blood or number 1, do you become najis? You only become najis if all these rules are correct. 1. You must have touched a najis thing. 2. There must be wetness between them. 3. You must be 100% sure. Here is an example. I touched a pig and it was wet. Let's go through the rules to see if I am najis. 1. Did I touch a najis thing? Yes. 2. Was there any wetness? Yes, it was wet. 3. Am I 100% sure? Yes. Now I have become najis because all these rules are correct. Here is another example. I was talking to my friend and realized there was red stuff on my hand. Am I najis? Let's go through the rules again. 1. Did I touch a najis thing? Maybe it was blood. 2. Was there wetness? Yes, it is on my hand. 3. Am I 100% sure? No, it could be food. Now I know I am not najis because all these rules are not correct. Last example. I touched a dog when I was out. Let's go through the rules to see if I am najis. 1. Did I touch something najis? Yes. 2. Am I 100% sure? Yes. 3. Was there any wetness? No. The dog was dry. Now I know I am not najis because all these rules are not correct. Just a note. If any part of the dog's hair goes on your body or clothes, you still cannot pray. We will talk about prayer conditions in future lessons.